Welcome students. This is second video on chapter 8 Prairies, the grassy plains. In this video, we will learn about natural vegetation and wildlife, life of the people, minerals and industries, transport and important cities of prairies. This is a picture of prairies grasslands, which are the grassy plains of North America, and they extend over a large area. Natural vegetation. There are not many trees on prairies. See, prairies are basically temperate grasslands of North America. They are covered with tall grasses. Very few trees are found here. A few trees like poplar, willow, and alder can be seen along the banks of rivers. Earlier, most part of the prairies was covered with tall grasses, which would grow about 8 meters high. But now, most part of these grasslands has been converted into farmlands. Crops like wheat and maize are grown in plenty over here. Okay, the soil is very fertile and here mainly wheat and maize are grown and the production is very large. So, this region is called the wheat basket of the world. Okay, because a large amount of wheat is produced here in the prairies grassland, which makes it one of the main exporter of wheat in the world. Wildlife. Some animals found in this region are antelopes, deer and prairie dogs. So these prairie dogs are basically not dogs. These are small animals. Okay, they are a type of rodents. American buffalo, known as bison, is also found here. Birds like golden eagle, owls and hawks are also common here. And here is a picture of antelope. Life of people. Farming is the main occupation of people in the prairies. Most farmers have huge farmlands spread over hundreds of hectares. Okay, the size of the farmland is very big. Farmers live in small houses on the farms with their families. So the farmers in prairies, they own very large farmlands and they live in small houses along with their families on the farms itself. These houses are called homesteads. Some workers called cowboys also live on the farms. Most of the agricultural activities like sowing, plowing and harvesting are done by large machines. Okay, so large machines are used to do most of the agricultural activities. The surplus food is stored in large granaries or containers called silos. Farmers in prairies are very rich and lead a luxurious life. Their life is full of luxuries. They enjoy all the luxuries of life and they are very rich. The western part of prairies is less fertile and hilly. See, in among this prairies grassland, the western part is less fertile and also hilly. So only grasses grow here. So it is not used for growing crops. So animals are reared on these rugged open grasslands called ranches. Okay. So what is this portion used for? For rearing of animals. Okay, and these open grasslands are called ranches. Cattle rearing is another important occupation of the people in prairies. Dairy farms are located near the cities. The milking of the cows is done by machines. Okay, they use machines to take out milk from the cow. A large part of meat is consumed daily and the surplus is exported to Europe. So their second main occupation is cattle rearing. Cattle are reared for milk as well as meat. Okay, large part of this meat is consumed on daily basis. Okay, and the surplus or the extra meat is exported to Europe. Minerals and industries. Minerals like gold, silver, copper, coal and and oil or petroleum are found here. The main industries located here are petroleum refineries, meat packaging, flour mills, etc. Transport. Prairies have a good network of roadways, railways and airways. Cities. Some major cities of the prairies are Chicago, St. Louis, Kansas, and Dallas.